How to make the objects glow in Premiere Pro. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So follow some steps for that. So if you want to make the objects glow in Premiere Pro, first of all start by importing your footage. Start by importing your video clip into the Premiere Pro and placing it on the timeline. Now duplicate the layer. Duplicate the video layer that you want to apply the glow effect to. After that, apply the Gaussian blur. This is very important. You must need to select the duplicated layer, go to the effects panel and search for the Gaussian blur effect. Now drag and drop the Gaussian blur effect on the duplicated layer. In the effect controls panel, increase the blurriness value until the layer has a soft blurred look. So after you do that, change the blending mode as well according to your choice by going on the blending mode to screen or add. Now adjust the intensity and mask the glow, that is very optional. Now you can just fine tuning, play around with the blurring, opacity and feather settings until you achieve the desired glow effect. Now if needed, you can just add additional color as well. After that, you can simply render and export. Once you're happy with all the effect that you have done and the changes you have made, you can simply export the video on the full quality. So this technique allows you to create a glowing effect on the specific objects in your video, adding a dynamic and visually appealing touch. So this is how you can do it. I hope you like the video by following the steps. So if you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below.